Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today, I'm highlighting new videos of car crashes that we found on the roads. There were some individuals who lost focus and the situation got the best of them, and there were others who drove like a tot. Imagine that the dashcam driver changed the lighting system's position in order to highlight the other driver's foolishness. There you have it, the Mercedes sways. The Juke's front end actually looks better overall as a result of the collision. No one knew. As a courtesy to us all, turn in your license to the police department in your neighborhood. People shouldn't pause to let these individuals out of driveways. The people exiting are too naive to consider that a car might be approaching from the opposite lane. The white mobile managed to make it through the lights very well. There was not a shred of defensive driving to be seen. Those students and the driver of the dashcam are extremely fortunate. Oddly appropriate radio narration nonetheless.
It's important to note at this point that Ivan the Lat never confessed to any of the backpacker murders.
Because dashcams are so frequently used in accidents, I'll never install one on my automobile. The reckless driver's fault for not running the red light so that he could get to McDonald's drive-thru in time for a cheeseburger meal and caramel sundae. Learner driver in an even worse vehicle. It was a costly lesson for them. Anyone criticizing the dashcam driver must immediately surrender their license. The video's first few seconds finally have action. Happy that nobody was wounded. Instructor, what is the proper way to make a right turn into a busy road? Driver, foot down, close your eyes, and smile.
Go!
Despite the taxi coming to a stop, the smackhead struck him. And that's how I acquired my pool for such a low cost.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there it goes, look! There it goes! Oh, yeah. I knew it was gonna go. Fucking hell, mate.
I don't pay attention to what's going on around me because of the world I live in.
No! I can't believe they know to help it! I would so prefer it. I mean, obviously, I've been...
A defense lawyer can assert that their client was exercising their right to cause a car accident.
There's no point.
The poor slug wasn't even moving that quickly. Only one car is on the road, and it's a truck.
I get to keep my job, Greedy! Yay! Yes, it is absolutely pouring. It's going to be...
My trust in other drivers is eroding as I see more of these films. This is just becoming crazy. Perhaps the drivers of the other vehicles became alarmed after hearing the Bee Gees. Every journey in a Jeep is an adventure.
Oh, that's an 82, sorry. That's the red light card, Jesus Christ.
Not going to lie, I've experienced an odd urge to follow suit. This guy was at least truthful. It seems like these optional red lights are everywhere these days. Since I can't tell them apart, I stop at each one just to be careful.
What an idiot. What a dickhead.
Picture the shock on the vehicle driver's face when the large, scary truck suddenly pulled out in front of him. The two automobiles just continued going. Both of them were aware that they were acting improperly.
Oh, I got the video.
Wouldn't be a happy camper.
Surface tension and inertia kept it inside.
Ah, if only DC's car was plainly visible and brilliant in color.
Idiot.
Your car's done a wee! If you were tracking the car and it was Uber Eats, that would be entertaining to watch.
Oh my god, that guy just got T-boned.
Everything will be okay. There's a box of tissues on the back parcel shelf that they can use to wipe the tears that their foolishness caused. I believe the driver of the automobile intentionally ran off the road, and 4 criminals stepped out of the car behind and chased the driver of the first car, or something similar. He merely needed to move a short distance along the road and complete a secure turn. Further along the road, there's plenty of space. The truck was not paying attention, and the automobile had stopped long before it reached him. The other driver made such a stupid move that even the automobile was incensed. At least the driver was driving in the left-hand lane. Oh wait, was embarking! The Navara driver in this video is paying attention to more than just their own lane, and was able to see what was happening early on, which is something I admire about it. White cars are quite difficult to see in the rain. I'm going to wait till someone accuses the dashcam driver. Just wondering if your dashcam is a Xiaomi 70Mi, or at least a Xiaomi brand. I was wondering if your watch resets the time every time you get into the car, because I recently noticed this with my 70Mi Pro. Very annoying. Despite having practiced braking just a minute earlier, he was nonetheless unprepared. That is the reason why using a phone while driving is prohibited. He had about 20 cars in that road in his blind spot. Y'all have never operated a truck, therefore you can't speak to how difficult it is to keep Australia moving. Guys, bye for now. We'll be back shortly with a new episode. Till then, be careful, eat well, and enjoy yourself.